Good morning, good morning! Good morning, Jaden. So, Sabado ay karon niya. Ngit-ngit pa jud guys sa gawas. O niya, time check, alas 8 na. I know, 7:45 sa buntag. Tapos, adlaw na aray taon. So, ngit-ngit pa jud kayo. Mura siya og alas 4 sa kadlawon or alas 5 sa kadlawon. Or mura siya ka ng hapon gani.
Mommy.
So, welcome kay Autumn naman. Yes, baby.
It's so cold.
Yeah, it's cold. So, maghimo lang sa ko breakfast kay 9:20 manglakaw na mi sa balay kay mag-open magud ang barber shop mga alas 10. Unya, wala sila kanang appointment gani. Walk-in base lang jud sila. So, mauto siya nun niya. Mag-drive pa mi og mga 30 minutes kaya naman dito sa US base ang barber nila James. So, what's your breakfast today, Jaden?
Hot chocolate.
Woohoo!
Mommy, Kian will have egg.
So, si Jaden ay magluto sa egg ni Kian. Nag-promise ko kay Jaden na mag-hot chocolate me for breakfast niya. Unya, buhatan lang po na ko si Alina o si Dominic kay gusto po nila. Kay Saturday man karon so mag-breakfast ko.
Good morning, guys.
Okay, you can put the egg now, baby.
Okay.
Good job. Look at you.
Ow.
Ilabay sa basurahan dong. Sa basurahan dong. Oh, baby.
No.
So, mao ni ang breakfast ni Kian. Strawberry egg o peanut butter sandwich. Cocoa powder. Sugar. Gamay ra kaayo. Kay sila na mag-adjust o niya.
Let me help you.
Okay. Ooh, ka-creamy. This is Jaden's, this is Mommy's, okay? Get your spoon. Ooh, let's eat. Thank you, Lord. So hot, just me hot.
Hello, my loves.
So
We're just going to the U.S. base to get our haircuts. just me and Kian back there. Somebody's just coming along just to take a video.
whatever.
Yeah. And then of course when I first got Jada's haircut, okay, it wasn't a good look. It wasn't a good look because I didn't
Insert
describe the
na mo ang
haircut.
picture. We'll insert the
Yeah.
picture.
Is it okay for me to say what you said he looked like?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
My wife said he looked like a lesbian. Not in a bad way, just like the haircut, the short, it wasn't good.
So at first, we didn't know that we have to provide a picture for Jaden's first haircut. So, natura kong bana sa hairstylist tapos gigunting. So, pag abot sa balay, mura ba kag tumboy dong?
Look, it's been a long time since I got a kid's haircut, so my bad.
Yeah.
I know my haircut, but we knew he wasn't going with my haircut. And I told him, hey, just give him the standard Malaysian haircut. I figured she knew what I was talking about. She didn't know what I was talking about.
But on second haircut, mao na to, perfect na kayo ang buhok ni Jaden.
Yeah, because Tiger Mom came along and was like, I want it this way and this way. Don't take a little bit off the top, make the sides like this. That's what you did.
Yeah, I mean like, duh. Tapos, this time, it's Kia's first haircut. So, excited na dyan kayo ko, no? Unya, tadawon na to unya kung unsa reaction ni Alina, ni Dominic, o ni Jaden. So, magkita na tayo ninyo dito. I-update tam. Bye! my husband will buy this. Smile, babe. This is perfect. This one, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna think about it.
I want you to consider it being nice and bright and sunny in London, and you got those glasses on with your stupid little camera that you're gonna get. Like, just, I already know what's gonna happen. I've been.
Ingon ani pud ba mo?
You know what? Those glasses are good to me. You don't have to pay me. Hey, let's go with it.
I don't like it.
You know what? You
It
buy
makes
your
me
own-
dizzy.
Buy your own glasses.
Deserve ba na ko ni, pero deserve na ko kay librehon man ko sa akong banakyaw. Salamat, babe. Thank you so much.
Whatever.
Smile.
You know what happened? This is what happened. This is what. Let me tell you what really happened. Where's the camera? Is it this side? This side right there? Look at me, people. This is what happened. I just got done getting my hair cut, and I come into the store, and she's standing there. Mind you, the glasses are right at the front door of the store, and she's standing there with the glasses. She's smiling. She's trying them on, and then she's gonna ask me, "Babe, do I deserve these? What am I? What answer do I have? I can only say yes." And now, guess what? I get to buy glasses. Whoa! Yes, you deserve them.
Murag birthday na ako today. It feels like it's my birthday today. Salamat, babes.
Do I deserve these?
No, kita pagod mga babae, no, kay kanang ambot lang practical kay ta actually na.
What was I supposed to say? No,
No.
babe, you don't deserve glasses.
No, maybe you can say like, maybe next time. Oh my God, I love it.
every day until you got them.
Wait, I love it so much. Actually, bag-ora ko kapalit og glasses pod. Dili kay ko ganahan kay usa ni siya. Brown man good unya. Gusto ko kanang black gay pareha ani. Kaso ang napalit na ako kay brown. Kani katong glasses gay na ako ang ginasuot, pero kani super nice kay siya. Unya nag-sale pod og mga 10% lang hinuon. So from 170 to 130. So nag-off og pila. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $40 ang off. Pero super nice ka. Nindot yun ang Ray-Ban, no? Thank you so much. Smile, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
Good job. Dahil na kasi istorya ko, no? Di ko gusto mo gasto manggudugkuan $130. Sa ako, dako na kayo ng $130. Ngunya, since I have a generous husband, smile.
You're right, babe. I learned.
You learned? Ay, lamig ka siya sa mata. It feels so fresh in my eye.
They look fresh on your eyes, babe.
Nadyo ko masumbag karon ba? Pero nindot yung kay siya ay, as in, ganahan ko. Ganahan mo, bagay sa ako ah. It looks good on me, right?
Yes, babe. They look great.
This is so nice, I love it.
Yes, they are, babe.
Sagdin ako ba? Yung plastic yung ka.
I chose peace today.
So maara to siya, no? Pauli na dahil mi unya. Tanaw na to ang reaction ni Alina, ni Dominic, o ni Jaden. For sure, mga nonchalant, maguto sila. Ambot lang, tanaw na to kay they are not like expressive, like, oh, cool. Anak na sila kay mga teenager man. So tanaw na to ilang reaction sa first haircut ni Kian. What? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open.
Oh!
Yeah, he looks like he's ready to enlist, man.
What is wrong
Sorry.
with you?
Oh, man. That is...
Mommy stole your hair.
Ugh. Can't, like, you didn't even give him, like, a taper or anything?
Hey, what is wrong with you? Kian, Jaden, you like Kian's haircut?
Curls are gone.
No.
Curls are gone.
No.
Curls are gone.
No.
They'll grow back. They didn't have the same haircut before.
No, Jaden had more hair on his head.
He does look like a soldier, Pearl.
Hey, what is wrong with you? It's beautiful. It's nice.
Up here. Yes, Sergeant.
Jaden, you like Kian's haircut?
I don't have a haircut.
You like Kian's haircut?
No. I already have a haircut.
How about Kian's haircut, Baba? You like it?
No. Like me.
Like me. So dili sila ganahan, no? Look at your haircut, Kian. Look at your hair. So nice, right? Di sila ganahan in taon. Someone na sila, oy. Natingala na itong si Kian sa buhok, no? So, maura to ang amo ang adlaw karon, right, Kian? First haircut yun din, Kian. Okay. So, maura to. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Bye! Kian, say bye. Bye po. Salamat!